Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid frizzy curly hair. First, let's talk about cleansing. Opt for sulfate-free shampoos to protect your hair's natural moisture. Washing your hair 2 or 3 times a week is often ideal to maintain that delicate balance. When detangling, always be gentle. Use a wide-tooth comb or your fingers on wet hair to prevent breakage and reduce frizz from the start. This foundational step is crucial for happy, healthy curls. Hydration is absolutely key for combating frizz. Make deep conditioning a weekly ritual, leaving the product in for at least 20 minutes to allow it to truly penetrate. Following your wash, a good leave-in conditioner is essential to seal in that moisture. You might also explore hair masks featuring natural oils such as argan or jojoba. These can provide an extra boost of nourishment, keeping your curls soft and defined throughout the week. When it comes to styling, timing and technique make a big difference. Apply your styling products like curl creams or gels to soaking wet hair. This ensures even distribution and helps to clump your curls beautifully, reducing frizz. After application, you have a couple of great options for drying. You can either air dry your hair completely or use a diffuser on a low heat setting. Both methods help to preserve your curl pattern and minimize frizz. Finally, protecting your curls is vital for long-term frizz control. Sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase significantly reduces friction, preventing tangles and frizz overnight. Once your hair is dry, try to avoid touching it too much. Excessive handling can disrupt the curl pattern and encourage frizz. And don't forget regular trims. Getting your ends clipped every 8 to 12 weeks helps remove split ends, keeping your curls looking fresh and healthy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.